na omo atimi ahwe so metua omo adesua so akọ universities a na arehosem ade ba ko ma reho. And for me, these are some of the things as yetimi hwe ne ka ho asem na as a country say o man no e kwan ben ye betimi di we yafa so because yes say nipa bebre hye bre okura mu e wa bra enko yie ansana universities ahodo yi ebe admit wa mo atimi akono sa 3 core subjects no enei ye pe from A1 to C6. And can you imagine say more free kwatron so hwe 193,882 students because they were not able to obtain A1 to C6 in mathematics in Tino. Universities are rejected a number of students we na. It's just a clan onya and to so school enko. Just because the person couldn't get A1 to C6 in mathematics. Adom. It is say ya nebeya, say ya nebeya. So now imagine 193,882. And when we now better say because their school no say seminyano in maths mentimi enye nuntino they can our passing and this one is not to say they failed in maths but almost share between A1 and C6 enti maths no de no onya na nya say onya F so ofeli but when timi am fall within A1 and A6 intino yen fan man in university. Meanwhile there are other subjects onipa na yade very well. Enti professors wana for ni panifo wo man mu yan wo masuo panifo na. So can't we sit down and think about this issue? Na yan hwe kwan bi ebetimi e dis asem we afa so. Ebi ene ye kan de otu ba bi wo ye wadwumentu be ka se e de ene boy we ye de wie wo tuatua maso. But enchiri mane ba. Ye nyina ye wo mane bi. Ankola nka kra omo bedu we ba bi. Omo so be try exams bi za. Na say what show ba hoping say obetimi aboa na ama na drum pempen so atimi akọ university we mpo akọ nanimu bi aka ho e de abone bra na okotro wase wie na nsohwe ba na in maths when timi obtain A1 to A6 intino you reject no e ma nko ento so school enko to aso a you begin to think like I'm thinking right now, say no, there should be something must be done somewhere. This is bad for us as a country. And then Monday the 16th of July, Kowakra tie a friend the finder. So I send it anymore. A front page story. Yeah, that. Just get a copy and read it. Next day, na minim say, you see, like I was saying, politicians need to be politicians one more. But you want penifo be munswa. Almost so can be a dimu. Obe question no, then focus no baby fufro. Na niema bi ati say no ne jemwe ane wa. Oko kan be kasa bo we di opekasa. Dumu no. Ringtone. Anyway, that is how man is how na me mama mo say titi be is anu mama. Na me kan che ye mpanifo no okromu a say sa de no omo ye no omunya na nye mo. Because it's no good. It is not helping issues at all. You see, education is the key. Na no ni key ya boni pa no so na okoduru anu agya na kwantinfi. And you say ka because can't you think of it and crofo mo akọ school mo akọduru finfin ba bi anko yie no safo no bra mo bre hadwen and no be vices bebre wo on ade ti anye yie na akọla de ne ho kọbọ crofo bi na fe na enema basa na akọla nso na nkanye ne pen no sen kasa bra na oba bebo. It is not as if say na wo phone they couldn't provide for his or her education. They were willing to but the system Abba, the system is not good. It is not good. The system ninya. Can't we do something about education system? Adom. 193,882. Boniben and Koleaye. Just because when to me A1 to C6 in March in T. Na university in Fano. So on kono kosua de. Ayareho. Get the story and read the story. Page 2. But our front page was the finder and net there 16 July. Ayahometesem. Yet when mun yanka ye be this MPP sa na de asan. O china story for beba. Na asan atoa no so sa. Neto. Na nieba minim say na sese ye ka ho asem. Na ye pe kwan ye betimi afa so yesim nkonwa. Na ye hwe the way forward no. Na ato na jeje hu sa. Ebe de no man ayi. Ebe de ne akoyenim. Asem wa me wokani. O teacher ni.
Kwaku say me video power square na me here na manfo anche da anti asiye. This is the very issue I was trying to address. There's a obi a fashion design at university. Was a mass no wanya A B A intino onko me pa cha obi na nia be so be pomade o timi kan 1 2 3 ko 6 step a obeti ma pomade bia wo pe krom obi anyone is waste 120
kwame tie
obi no krom one waste 120
one no dey fair to check kwame me say obi si classroom da but oye tailor ni ni sika osusu ni osisi ni sika obi be pomade a me say minim telephone bi uko gina won mo a ode measure ode to ha no de ato ha edu ba bia ntimi ka say now ontro no wura be video wadi kan so minim ni na dada kwaku so what the
kwaku me have had problems with our educational system from day one. So you be out touch me videos now. They be my boss much is a woman why kwaku make us chero e chew and poor and e wo kroma Baba when any country college.
Yes, it's not fair.
Yes, it's not fair. College. I be training college. Yes, it's here. It's here. Pamono. I don't call Russia. Now you're a doctor.
It happens.
That's the system we have here. The system. St. Peter's. I hope fairly 2 times a year you ready. It's here you and now you're lawyer America. It is the system.
It is the system. The system is not good. The system. See, you are elsewhere. Yetimisha Kolabi. Ne modern ba obono.
But Kwakwe, Kwame Brewing for University, University News 1. Kwame, it's not, you know, cut out point. I even said, Kwame,
Mr. System, ya crew ya yekin. Elsewhere, and Columbia Nibi one more from the beginning. They are very double chocolate, but almost to me, I shall akola we do ye child na niam bi go but e bia ye hu se ade ba ko bi wo hanu akola interest wo betime they help that child to develop in that area.
Classmate bia o tem bia any mama kan ye yin na dey so fairly twice ya ho dey friend what now hwe aso repeat as what now hwe aso what now hwe aso prem ata na e dey na friend
what now dem mo kwa
dey na say da bisa dey won ko ni fie na na papa dey ko America and now you lawyer America and obianim no obo dey America wa obianim say lawyer we you lawyer wa ben but ye yin na dey o St. Peters.
It is not good. Yes, system they have to do something about it. They have to do something. It is not good at all. It is not helping issues.
Question. Which at the university now? Let us read the no. I don't say I'm a child. Just one person about you. You don't have to use your brains.
It is not good. It is not good. And yet, because from the beginning, the systems should be such that omo teachers ne akola ne no monitor akola progress day by day ni na ehwe enti ye bia akola no e bia maths onyade so ati ase but there are other areas bia akola ne ade opa ni abo akola no ho and the system should be such that as say timi contain this afo ni na so that baby yes omo timi sua ade kodu bia no omo sua kodu but you don't tell me say because I couldn't obtain your friend saying A1 between A1 and C6
your friend
in maths no I cut me off then I'm not getting the chance to go to the university.
Cut off points.
What is the meaning of this?
That be a sort say when you get 16 and next time you be 14 you be 12.
It is bad.
And SSC so true you na kire wabrabo
and na me kan tin kola no eho na kire enti sa kola no be den sa ne bra enti eho no mo sesa nipa hyebre no enya fine eho no mo sesa nipa hyebre wan hwe yie kakra bi be
minima ba yo bi wa kire English nko 11 years ni 11 years in you. Now let me see I'm so yet you must so here was here Juma. What
is this? It's one who say English na akola no onyade but ebia ye wo ekwan bi
pass you now onye de be no me see so it's education system and then who article bia say you be almost pass some two and poor
almost some almost it's long over
some here video no san mpanifo bi say be say head dey almost sansala boss no eni ma kure sia kwa do so do kwaku ano so kan ye do
collect me the back show much is on backpack e mu
do na phone call 80% omu nya am spam call e problem
because of books baby am carrying
aden American kwale come coast square keke bon ese ni ma hu sa anya ma hu ya
anu so dey ese mpanifo timi si
anya ma hu ya
what is the meaning of this
ankunta kaka na me nya ebo ma brabo ho me come baby and I feel you go follow God is to my bro power square 1 trigonometry and some nya me play kwa
there's this a year cartoon bia na akola ni joro say if a single teacher can't teach all subject, then how can you expect a single student to learn all the
exactly? What? Sometimes you are a teacher. My any can you from you? So I'm saying social science and I'm saying arts. What's the thing a mass? No, me. I'm saying. What we interest in year. I'm me education in my common and minister here. I'm going to put you very good on this side. But on the hand of the camera, now I know. And to be a kaka
this story many boss story nam share how
so your mau akuya wa mau
na me kan
na me baba fe
na afin po ma
na say bresel e be ko square say the mass na say me ni mass no so e be to ma affect them me konta sam akwani
kwa na ba no so I so mo pentem say me na nanam say obi a me driver me kwa daddy this one I know this one you know which one what does he do? Oh, this one, if you are driving and it's raining, then you turn it in, then it will clear off the news. You see, in the next 9 years, I'll be driving. Oh, by that time, I'll be qualified to drive. I've calculated it already. You see this? Nothing we do, nothing. I be kakrebi ko ipina. What's sakola shebre?
And no time be a top point in your money, manu. Oh, uko broche me so be say ni sika so ko top. Because kakrebi obetro be between the next baby. I'm for na top point in as I didn't here because master one yam your open university no could be Chromos one university was utiate.
It is not good.
Chrome where team no just one university utiate. Tena de sana wakasa de menyecho sa kolba som kra be kasa.
Yenko ya na yakasa no yenko.
Pani de wasu no zaman mani kaka kra ja. No.
Yes and simpi.
Dunia de kasa na me nya mura no.
Mura be kasa wakasa na echi mura be bi. Mura bi. Kasa.
Hadwin.
Ede. Yeah, he did not pump me na sorry Jones.
Oh, na dey we me.
Menyo. Say, when I know pump me na da no. When bufu na sorry gina ho.
I mean I'm before there yes.
Ah.
O me ya me na ma say na. Ado ni brebe so music.
Enye wa.
We dey ntia mo kasa ma yedi.
O de wonye hwe.
Mo kasa ma yedi ya me hwe mu no.
Edin o.
Enya de ba ko pe na enye okruma o.
Ya nya ndos na ja kan kakra.
Nti me ze mo ni ya bra mo ka we no.
Ene ma ji agu.
Se mu di akira o kina so besa akofa ba akoso asaba.
Ba ni aka.
O bebre o.
Ana me kan.
Asen when it comes.
Say enra.
O hwa o. Unhu ba bia ade no fundamentals na kasa unhu ba bia
o man any focus.
Enyo.
Because we are working. Koku me rectify say nkola no mo tro so hwe no kra wi ate de na papa ko sim bi mu kan me mo mo nye BC na nka epia mu nyina akọ ne mpia mu nyina nko university o mi university na eno so on be den
adwuma be kra no
kra so le bi likuri mu
and me say on na ka say empe adwuma ma yi free SHS for
go hwe
and over the weekend
the country itself is sick
enye small problem
the country is sick problem when him say weekend we work as sem bebre ho no me ne same call media area ho no won say wo kwa before be do to no de kika ko hwan ho before be do to ho no em say na say munzu kakra bi to bi ni ade kwaku getting approaching the tone no and chen ope no ensu eta opa no say de aye poto bi ni say de niam gum pa
afi enche wona police fo gina
afi me kwa
ma control mo
o de me say me put de na ma adwen ma so say me na me drive it na me hwenti say me telephone to a what happen o se kwaku eju omo be yi ni na am say e dey asem o se hwe hwa inti akra pa ni
we dey time dem mu kan time na
and also hwe MPs ni ho ministers omu na dey drive omu na omu
ono eso adwe man
inti we sai enipa etie entontom ade we bebi
na say we
o kan am so same twa so me enko wa
ono what manual estate osauti about so entontom be
problem say we kuro no
entontom be focus so entontom na break no week pa yan we from hand omo we asa unsa entontom we ko be 13 floor wa emre also na mpini wo to kokoro ntimi nka no tada no za ja nya ti ase ha na yem for steps ndie oba no den do si hu a entontom timi ka so obi di padlock na abo wa kunye izo ase entontom otimi ka so obi de awo madam ko entontom ka so aje obi atwa mse kana mse nyesika oh anya okwaku anya owo entontom ka wa so na aka o aje ko bo papa ne
anyway
and then o me say the city
yeah
still ano ya o mpanimfo okure mu a oko program asekwa akodi 3 hours oba radio program ebedi 2 hours 1.5 hours ba be pakeka esi abontin
e jejina so oh say yehunda bia
so monyo no to petrol
yehunda bia ka no so nya ejinketo
metro ye yade na yare
ka no so nya ejinketo ayi 5.7 iForce engine
me kai na me fi say me toy na ayi na das on from amfifin da give me ko for dey Mr. Brewu adoma o man cross over egba akire me to ka na cross over da
7.5 liter iForce engine
aba be kasa say nipa ne bia ne nyina na ti he ye ni
ansa na obenya chapsa ko
ne jejina so na
2 hours
onum no
because petrol na egum no
enyo neto
onim kwan fa so a ebegum kwaku yawo empanimfo okrom ha mini ministry a any conference hall the meeting
enso mo ko hotels akese ko
no betia kwaku
but so say brainstorming
mamu brainstorming o de nyi
hotels akese ayi me pese me bo din de won finfin he
ai
akese okrom ba bia bedru bia re abadwuma bi na aba beje na omo ye brainstorming ye workshop
almost so go see who and so who brainstorm
ihu de fi mu ba
hwe ayi MPC hwe ba bi ebinum free awo mo ba
and I can
say na bedu abana na adwan sesa
ne car loan ko kam si etua so ultimi gi loan de toka ana se guarantee loan ma de toka obetimi am ya guarantee loan amount na de am nkrofo so mo mfa nyafu
aforo so boy nyina o ka de nko na otimo aforo no dua prode nyina beto bi adi
o de kromanum say is a free senior high school ya aban so ye ne school feeding program yenimu no krepa ne sika ye di tonuane ne ade no anke ye mfa makuafo se for the next
ye nuane ye mfa ma school no
mumfa nye ahead of time ye mpeko si akwa ne mfa mo
na simple things aye betimi aye but ye nye
district bia ne ye mfa nipa be 10,000 ne de ye ntwa asase be 1,000 hectares ni
I can't to come as I go there.
Yes, a crewman can be an inky. I just think it's a swing a quackoda.
I believe some say we run because nominee Kokomas, we run a south side, we say we run.
I said, they are dream by crewman if you hear CCI common sense.
Common sense,
or they are dream by a robber, a queen, robbery. Also, the insuable pure time.
Yeah,
as I said, 20 pesos. Yan 50 pesos. Onum wie now the rubber no ekwa ye pe container bi so na man 14 o the rubber no kwa
no be 30 pesos
very simple tinipa no so be to atwe no obe sora no obe hu
na ka be ko collect
nkroma
ya be collect
sasa rubber
obe ko bi se collect obi se collect maka say no bi se collect
ya apply
and it will work
because you catch the sanitation ko budget from district to district
na so still high fee kwaku say all and for my ama paper bag no am dey okoto dey be ma free now pe policy dey na ma ne boy dey nti won tompo and okoto atwe common sense.
There are some places you won't even get to even
common sense please come on for good people mu so person to my bag dey was man ya turn about dey
newspaper yi and also front page one more Ghanaian boys use cassava to generate electricity.
Why? Me ma show video no.
And you might be saying no be uno be come be quiet.
Just for so to get Kwanso.
And say now timi use cassava e dey generate electricity. Ni ahwese betimi aye na kan we one ya baby otimi ye na sentim krase otimi de generate electricity ena ye de mammo mo
nye aposo kwadosafo
enya ma bi say ye be hwe ne abo
still na car no sisi TV ne so be sin ne now so community system hindra na doso kwadosafo cars nda so sisi wo nja obibini de kwaku di nyakopon sa be yie nyina ade krofo fro ba
but we no issue we no
ana ya reho kwaku
ublemu ni pa ba ko nye
dabi
ya nyina ka we are to be blamed
agric colleges
na say what you news
awie
ayi to be post you
omu timi betena ayi ministry say ye post you
what is this
akosua CDC ekua you post you nko hwan afum
da be say kwaku omu ko school ya say omu ko ye extension officer
de oya afo nye ye dia sam na
ka to omu tiri mu no
me say extension officer ya afo nye ye
kwaku me ko training college wie you think I just say me nchade me ko team school
oh na say binum so te
fine but ultimately me ko team school
dabi ti o farming
what was the purpose of the establishment
dabi ti
what I say now okay onko ye fo no asase be no de ye fo yi be se be wo homa no
kwakwe kwame wo mu say wakasa mu de but
we school ni post you ye teacher ni nti wo betena fi
so you get posted and that's what we are talking about and you see and in this case no kwa farming in itself na kasa kra no de ene age so obeka say wanya asase ana wanya baabi ene amanfo bi mu okwa backyard
akwa no mo ye no aban ne boa wom kwa na mo ye no omunya asase kese machines akese edua kromo mo de sika ne aso do na do so ya ka farming is the backbone of ya ka bafu nganya ne de agu omo akita aso ani rake de ye fu na do so what I say to you nobody be brave so mo produce hwe America farmer ba ko pe e produce betima betima produce ahafu nyina production omo ye ho the whole of BA one American farmer can do that and they think me say money bi wa
because
nkoku produce timi asa sema wonu sika bejo
me church dey intend me nye bi
adentia
because ye to abama aban no pe oba ya no no a cha say fa plan no be fa so the next election obe win
sa na asemnes ye ase win na ne hia omo nti hwe ma ye to ade okwan ho krampo aka kam ya to abom ba ye mpam because the pam I want to abama I say the hia omo so they will be in power so that they can enjoy our monies and then 4x4 bon minister ba no afre say 2 hours time medroom go agogwa ni aso e